You think you might have a tight scalene, or muscle on the side of your neck. This is the stretch. You'll sit tall in a chair, reach back with your left hand, grab the bottom of the chair slightly behind your buttock. You're going to lean to your right until you feel a slight stretch either here or in your shoulder or arm. Stop at this point. Raise this shoulder up, or try to, for a count of 5. Relax the contraction. You should be able to lean a little bit more towards the right. This is the new starting point. Reach up with your right hand all the way across your head to where your fingers are touching just below your ear. And you'll gently pull your right ear to your right shoulder until you feel a stretch, and hold for a count of 10. Press your head into your hand for a count of 5. Release the contraction, and you should be able to gently pull your right ear to your right shoulder a little more, and hold for a count of 10. Press your head into your hand again for a count of 5. And relax your ear to your shoulder a little more for a count of 10. And slowly relax to the center. And that's your stretch for the scalene muscles, the muscles on the side of your neck.